Natalie Gulbis. I play on the LPGA Tour, but what I'm really passionate about is the Boys and Girls Club. I opened up my own Boys and Girls Club in 2010 right here in Las Vegas, and I'm really excited to show everybody what my friends at ForeverLawn made, a playground and a putting green right here in Las Vegas for the kids. My passion for the Boys and Girls Club started when I was a kid going to the clubs. My dad is in law enforcement and was a huge believer and supporter in getting kids into the Boys and Girls Club, what the Boys and Girls Club could do in the community, and now fast forward 20 years, my involvement with the Boys and Girls Club has only grown, and my passion for the kids in the club. So right here in Las Vegas, where I've lived for the last almost 20 years, I was able to help open up a club and also be able to support the clubs in Southern Nevada through golf events, through fundraisers, and just through a national partnership with the Boys and Girls Clubs of America. It's an incredible organization where they open up clubs just like this and provide a safe place for kids to go after school. What I'm most excited about ForeverLawn coming and making a playground grass and a putting green here is really that it exposes the kids at this club and the kids that come in the summer to golf. They get excited to come out here and putt and to also, just to experience a little bit of the game. Synthetic Grass by ForeverLawn offer low maintenance, durable surfaces for kids to putt on and also play on. Especially here in Las Vegas, being that it's in the desert, water scarcity is a huge issue, and this is a great eco-friendly way to create a grass and a playground environment for the kids to come out and play on. This is one example of a ForeverLawn putting green, but you can really make it however you want. It can be of your favorite golf course, you can change the speeds, add slope. This is a green design that's great for kids. It's really simple and gives them a lot of good positive feedback when they're starting the game, but you can do anything you want. You can have it at Augusta, at Pebble. It's endless of what type of green that you can create. I am allergic to 7 different types of grass, and so being a golfer and being an athlete that spends a lot of time outside, having the ability to be able to practice some on great turf like this and ForeverLawn grass with no allergies is incredible, and it's my personal favorite thing about the ForeverLawn greens. The key to play better golf is to get better at putting and short game, and there's no better way than to have a ForeverLawn putting green in your backyard because you can work on your putting at any time, and just the accessibility, just be able to walk right out, work on some 3-footers and work on your stroke makes you a better golfer just by having it there. My favorite part about my partnership with ForeverLawn is that they care about giving back. This was an example of a putting green that was going to be in my yard, and when we had a bigger idea and a vision to create a green and a play area for the kids at the Boys and Girls Club, they jumped right in and were so generous. And it's companies like ForeverLawn that make you excited to work with them, and also because they want to give back and they want to do things for the kids. Not only are they great people there at ForeverLawn and have an incredible product, but it's an honor to be associated with them. Thank you to ForeverLawn Pacific Coast for designing and installing and just making this ForeverLawn golf green so incredible for the kids and them having a great playground to play on. So thank you very much. Golf Greens by ForeverLawn. Improve your landscape and your short game. For more information, visit golfgreens.com/Natalie Gulbis and get a free consultation.